Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you may be all over the world. We are back once again just to serve you, just to enlighten you, just to keep you informed, because information, yes, leads to transformation. When one is not informed, he is deformed. And wisdom is the principal thing in all that get understanding. So you need understanding, you need clarity, you need information, you need knowledge to be able to navigate successfully in your career, in your business, and as a professional entrepreneur and as business owner. So that is why we've always committed ourselves to this course, to this lawful course, to ensure that you are always well informed, and we are always showing up here to ensure that you get all the necessary information, all the necessary knowledge that you need to help you navigate successfully in this new tax era. So today, we are bringing you a very important topic. It is a very, very important topic which concerns everybody. We are your tax partner, right? We are your tax companion. We are your tax associates. Tax is law. We want you to understand it. And we believe that as many people that are staying true to our YouTube channel, that have been connected, that have been watching our video, they will agree with us that we have given so much clarity on this Nigerian Tax Act. And if you look at our YouTube live topic, you will see the name of the topic is very important. How to legally reduce tax exposure. And we will break it down in a very simple way, as simple as ABC, for you to understand. Many people cannot reach out to us individually one by one, and that is the essence of this YouTube channel. There's many people that come across our channel, and we have tried as much as possible, to ensure that people are aware of what we are doing. People come to our YouTube channel and then watch all our videos that will help them get clarity, gain understanding, gain knowledge in this tax era. So there are two things that we are going to bring to you before we delve into the topic of today. As a tax expert, as professional consulting firm, we are versatile. Yes, we are versatile, and of course, that is what distinguishes us. We're a global consulting firm. So we have been following everything that is going on a daily basis, and then making all our research. So, on the media, maybe it's because of people who have not gotten a clear understanding, and it is not something that we are happy with. That when people display, some level of understanding that is not top notch, they have not gotten the clearer understanding of this new tax era. And we've said so many times on this YouTube channel, because it was on media today, just today, that okay, they said 800,000 is exempted. The first 800,000 is exempted. Somebody that is earning 70,000, it is 840. How is the person exempted? And 70,000 is the minimum wage. We've said it here that you as an entrepreneur, you as a business owner, you must not deduct tax from somebody that is earning 70,000 and below. So 70,000, which is 840,000 in a year, right? 70,000 is exempted. 70,000 monthly salary is exempted from personal income tax, from pay as you earn. From pay as you earn, it is exempted. From payee, it is exempted. Don't tax anybody that is earning 70,000 and below. And on the media this morning, someone was saying that 70,000 is not exempted. We said it's exempted. It is inside this Nigerian Tax Act. It is exempted. Please help us share this our YouTube channel to people. And if you are watching us, please subscribe. Help us share it to people. We have tried to share it to so many people that are within our circle. So that is why you are also connected to us. Help us connect to other people. Let them gain this clarity, because people are in a way afraid of this tax, and it is not. It is good for the masses. Please help us share to people. As you are watching us live now, please help us share that there is a live session going on. Let people come up with their question, and let us give them understanding, clarity. Please help us subscribe, help us share to people. Ask your question. When you ask question, I will give you a clear answer. Please help us help other people too. We are here to serve you. So 70,000 and below is exempted. Anybody earning 70,000 and below is exempted from payee, pay as you earn, employee tax. It is exempted, please. So when we say that first 800,000 is exempted, we are not saying that, okay, somebody that is earning 70,000 on a monthly basis, which at the end of the year it will be 840,000, will be taxed. No, the person will not come into the picture at all, into the picture of tax at all. And we have even said, we are giving practical example. As we are doing our live session on this YouTube, we are giving practical example too. That even if you are earning 100,000 on a monthly basis, which will amount to 1.2 million at the end of the year, because if you multiply 100,000 times 12, it will give you 1.2 million. That you may not even be paying tax, because there are statutory deductions. So that is what we will be giving you clearer understanding on in each of our distinguished topics that we'll be bringing to you on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, please like, please share, comment, ask your question. We are your tax companion. We are your tax partner. We are your tax associate. We are your tax teacher, tax consultant, tax advisor. Yeah. And we are a versatile professional consulting firm. So 70,000 is exempted from pay as you earn, from payee. It is exempted. Then there is another example we want to bring to you again. Right? So the person reached out to us and said, and so many people have been asking this question, that I want to register my business. What should I register it as? Please ask your question. If you have question, please feel free. Please feel free. And if you think of any topic that we should come up with, right? Please, you can give suggestion on that. We are very open for suggestion, for giving you clarity on every time we come live on our YouTube channel. We are committed to this cause, right? Because where one is not informed, he is deformed. And ignorance is very costly. You know, somebody said, okay, if I go to school, I'm going to spend much. Where is the money and all of that? Somebody now said that you try ignorance and see what ignorance is going to cost you. And ignorance is not an excuse. When you are ignorant of something, it's not an excuse. And tax is law. If you are ignorant of the tax law, you will not be guiltless. you will not be innocent. You will still be penalized, because the law will tell you, the tax authority will tell you that the laws are available for you to read. And if you don't know it, they are advisors like us, they are tax consultants, they are tax experts that you could have consulted. We are a professional consulting firm, accounting audit firm, professional consulting firm, right? Anything relating to businesses, business growing, business development, business thriving, business scaling, your books of accounts, your CAC compliance. In fact, today we've sent emails to all of our clients and prospective clients about the compliances that are on already. We have sent email to them because we don't want people to be paying unnecessary penalties, to be entangled with unnecessary pressure that they could have avoided from the starting point. That is why we are always showing up, and we appreciate people that have been joining us live since the inception. We appreciate them. They have been joining us live, sharing our links to people to join us and all of that. We appreciate them. Thank you very much, Beretic Official, for joining. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate you. If you have a channel too, we are also supporting you. We will definitely, subscribe back to your channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we are your tax companion, tax expert, tax advisor. Thank you, Iye Kano. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. Good morning to you, anywhere you are joining us from. Can we know where you are joining us from, your location? We appreciate you, and we are saying our greetings to everyone around you. Everybody there, we are saying our greetings. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much from Nigeria. A round of applause. Thank you very much for joining. So people are connected to us from Nigeria, from Africa, from Asia, from Australia, from North America, from Central America, any continent of the world, because we are live now as we speak. Nigeria in diaspora too, because people have reached out to us from Germany. They said they watched our YouTube live and they got clarity. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel too, you will definitely subscribe to your YouTube channel. What is your name? I am new here. My name is Oluwatosin Maja. I'm a chartered accountant, tax expert, business consultant, CAC accredited agent, a business coach. So we are a trained consultant, professional consultant, chartered accountant. So we appreciate you. So wow, that is nice. Thank you very much. We appreciate you, Iye Kano. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Please share our channel to people. So we are ensuring that people get clarity on this Nigerian Tax Act and all those issues that are unfolding. We are bringing it. I will support you. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you. And we are rooting for your business. I will share. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. We appreciate that. We appreciate that. We love that emoji. Thank you. Keep it on. Keep it on. We appreciate you. So anywhere you are joining us from Nigeria, from Ghana, from any part of Africa, from Kenya, from Ethiopia, any part of Africa, we appreciate you. In Europe, we appreciate you. People from UK, from Germany, we appreciate you all. From Australia, from Central America, from North, South America, from Asia, any continent of the world, we appreciate you. So thank you for always supporting us. We appreciate you. We love you. And we are rooting for you in this year, 2026, that more than you have ever achieved, this year, 2026, will be a greater achievement year. You are from Nigeria. Yes, I'm from Nigeria, but we have a global outlook. Yes, so that is why we are here on this YouTube channel. Yes, to bring all our live video businesses on this YouTube channel for people to be aware. Amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Iyekwe Kano, we appreciate you. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. So we are actually dissecting, this Nigerian Tax Act, and since the beginning of this year, we have been coming, live on our YouTube back to back on a daily basis, back to back. We have been, because we are seeing that people are not having a clear knowledge of this Nigerian Tax Act, and as we've said that it is cheaper to be compliant and it is expensive. I would like to join this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So anything you want to know more, you can comment, you can ask your questions, and thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We appreciate you. So any business you are doing, please let us know. So we are here and willing to work with you, to partner with you. We are not just a chartered accountant firm, right? We are beyond just accounting, tax. We are versatile in all business aspects. We are versatile, right? So that is why we are coming to this YouTube live to always bring all our ideas, all our professional expertise, to bridge that knowledge gap that people are not having. Oh, thank you very much. We appreciate all your comments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we will always be here in this year 2026 and beyond to help businesses. We have a lot of video that we have put on our YouTube channel. We have 50 exemptions that are available. Wow, you have potentials. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your compliments. We appreciate you. And we are also rooting for you. We are supporting you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will definitely subscribe to your YouTube channel. All the people that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, all of them, one after the other, we've subscribed back to their YouTube channel. I can see it. It is going to improve. Thank you very much. Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Thank you for all the compliments, all the comments, all the supports. We thank you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So we have a lot of videos, a lot, from CAC to tax to accounting to business development. They are here on our YouTube channel, and anybody that want to go into business, and maybe they are thinking of which business should I go into, which one. We have video here on our YouTube channel. Just watch. You will see the video. You will see the video and you will have idea of which business you can go into, right? Because this is our expertise area. That is why we are in this line of business. Yes, that's why we are in this line of business. So whatever your potential, whatever you feel like is the best you want to offer out there, you go into that business line. You go into that business line. If you are somebody now that love to see people well-being, being taken care of, being okay in their health, being okay, right? They will consider like going into medical field to take care of people's health. So we are a doctor of business, and like Warren Buffett said, he said accounting is the language of the business. So we are the one giving language of businesses, right? So that business will thrive. Yes, thank you very much. Wow, thank you very much. So that business will thrive. So that business will not go bankrupt. That business will keep going as a going concern. And that is the essence. All that you have to offer out there, right? You can offer it. You can offer it and you can continue existing in your business. I am looking for you too. Rooting for you. Thank you very much. We are rooting for you. There are businesses that have been in existence for like 100 years ago, and they are still existing. They are still existing. Yes, that is the essence. Yes, you have, live your own life. You have, imparted, people's life and everything. And when done, you have done all your own parts, you will go. We will all go one day, right? But before we go, we make a mark. Before we go, we make a mark, right? So that is the essence. And when you go, the legacy that you have put behind, other people can continue there, right? We are not a political, people, but we love a country that everything is going well. the leadership of the country. They have the peoples at heart. I was discussing with one of my close friends yesterday. I said the greatest, problem that we have, right, is leadership problem. Leadership problem. Any circle, any place that you are, wow, you are teaching me a lot. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. We appreciate that. So it's leadership problem. So anywhere you see a good leader, you will see that place, things will go on well. Things will go on well. A lot of things will be going on fine. And that is why, we are looking forward to a better Nigeria, to a better Africa, to a better world, that everybody can live, and thrive, and exhibit their God-given potential, right? So that is why we are here. Yes, thank you. That is what I wanted to hear. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So today's video is a very important one. Yes, thanks for this. You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Thank you for staying true on this live session. God bless everything around you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So if you are joining us for the first time, my name is Oluwatosin Maja. I'm a chartered accountant, a business coach, a business consultant, an external auditor, a tax consultant, and a versatile, professional. So thank you for joining. Thanks for this. No problem. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. So how can you legally reduce tax exposure? So we have, given you, an example that people have not still gotten clarity, not from our channel, not people that are connected to us, other people, right, that have not still have contact with us, because there's nobody that have had contact, direct or indirect contact with us, that have not gotten clarity. I am the only one here. You are not the only one. I am here too, and to join for that little disruption in network. So thank you for staying true with us. So if you are joining us live, we are TOSJOHN Consulting. We are a professional consulting firm, and I am Oluwatosin Maja, the managing partner of TOSJOHN Consulting, a chartered accountant, a business coach, a tax consultant, tax advisor. So we are here to serve all those people that are connected to us. So you as our subscriber, we appreciate you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will always to any of us. Nothing will happen to our family. No emergency situation, will occur that will make us not to show up to all our lawful and legitimate cause. We will always be around to show up in our business, in our family, in every area of life. God will keep us, all of us, in good health, and we all make our mark in this life. So thank you very much. So we are versatile, consulting firm. We are versatile. So we are versatile. We are in every area of businesses. So you can feel free to reach out to us. So thank you very much, Iye Kanu. We appreciate you. We appreciate all your comments. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. All those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. So the first aspect is what we have clarified with you, that 70,000 minimum wage and below are exempted from pay as you earn. That's payee. Please, if you are a business owner, don't deduct tax from people that are earning 70,000 and below. And even if you are earning 100,000 on a monthly basis, which will amount to 1.2 million in a year, you can still qualify for that exemption, because aside from your earnings, it is not your total earnings that will be taxed. Yes, it is not your total earning that will be taxed. Yes, you still have to remove deductions, allowable deductions according to law. So we have all our videos as regards that, and we also give you clarity on this live session video. So please, if you are joining us live on this YouTube channel from Nigeria, from Ghana, from South Africa, from Kenya, from Gambia, from Ethiopia, any country in Africa, please comment, ask your question. Yes, we are versatile. We know about all this country. Yes, we know. And the recent happening in Venezuela, we are aware of that. Someone have joined us on this live session, was it yesterday, from Venezuela. And, you know, we are praying for them that peace and tranquility will be restored in Venezuela. So if you have any question you want to ask, please feel free to ask it as regards business, tax, auditing, accounting, business, CAC compliance, so and anything that revolves around your business. So we are willing and ready, you know, to answer all those questions. And please, if you are just joining us on this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share with other people as well. We love you, we appreciate it, and we are rooting for your business. So that is the first part. So 100,000 on a monthly basis, 1.2 million, you may not still be paying tax because you are qualified for the first one is rent relief allowance, right? So from that 1.2 million, you will remove first your rent relief allowance. If your rent is 1 million on an annual basis, and you can see somebody that is earning 100,000 in a month paying 1 million as rent, you can see that that is too much. That is too much of a rent. And depends on where you are living in any part of the country. Some places, the cost of living are high, right? So that is why don't be afraid of this tax. It is the portion of the profit that is left. It is the portion of the gain that is left from all your total earnings that you will pay tax on. It is not on your total income. Because when we were discussing with somebody and we said it is not from your total income that you pay profit, he said, He said, oh, that's interesting. I said, yes. Imagine I'm earning 5 million on an annual basis. It is not that 5 million that will be taxed. I will remove all my deductions first. So after all my statutory deductions and the relief allowances that are available based on the tax law, that is what I'm now going to subject to tax. So maybe at the end of the day, the 5 million, after all my statutory deductions and relief allowances, I now have 3 million left. It is that 3 million that will now be subjected to the graduated tax band. The first 800,000 is exempted. Then the next 2.2 million, 15%. Then the next 19 million, then like that. That is how tax is being calculated. So we are here as your tax advisor, as your tax companion, as your tax partner, as your growth business support partner. We are here. We have the experience, we have the exposure, we have the certification, we have the qualification, we have all those things that will help, you know, to make sure that your business thrive legally. We are not doing tax evasion. We don't do tax evasion. We do tax compliance, tax planning, tax strategy based on the law, tax avoidance, which is lawful, is legal, right? It is all those deductions that are being, you know, applied to your total income to reduce it before you now have the tax income, right? The tax liability that will now be subject to tax. Those are the stages of how it is being done. The tax planning, the tax strategy, the tax avoidance, the tax compliances. So we do tax compliances, tax avoidance based on the law. We don't do tax evasion. We don't encourage business not to pay tax, not to be compliant. No, we don't do that. We ensure that people comply to the law and reduce their tax liability legally. Please, we are here, we are rooting for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are just joining us for the first time. We love you, we appreciate you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for, you know, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for all your comments. Iyekwe Kano, we love you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all our subscribers, all those that are supporting us, that we know, that we don't know. We may not know you, we may not have seen you before, because this is a global stage. We are live on YouTube. It's a global stage. It is not everybody that is watching us now that we have seen before, but we love you, we appreciate you, we thank you for all your support. Thank you. And as you are supporting us, we are supporting you too, especially if you have a YouTube channel. When you subscribe, we subscribe back to you. If you want us to subscribe, share your link with us, we will subscribe. And you subscribe to us, we subscribe to you. We help each other to grow. That is what makes the world a better place. Not that one person will be saying support and you will not support. No, it is not done. Things should be done in a golden rule. What you want others to do for you, you do it to others. You do it to others. You want other people to help you to succeed. Are you helping other people to succeed? Golden rule: do to others as you want others to do to you. Don't involve yourself in an unlawful act, unlawful business. It doesn't pay. It doesn't pay. Do things the right way. Be ethical. Comply to moral. Do away with evil, with bad things. We are not preaching, it's business. Because in business too, people involve illicit, acts, illicit transactions. It doesn't pay off. Please, year 2026 has just begun. Right? Let's do the right thing. If you have a goal, work towards your goal. You will achieve it. You will achieve it. You will get to that desired destination. So please, get clarity, get understanding. Please, information leads to transformation. And when one is not informed, he is deformed. Please don't be deformed, because you have a whole lot of things to offer in the world. We love you, we appreciate you, and we are rooting for you. We are your growth business support partner. We are beyond just chartered accountant firm. We are beyond just tax, just accounting, just auditing. We are strategists. We are strategists, right? So we are rooting for you. We love you. Please comment, give us that emoji thumbs up, share with others, let them connect. We are here for number of minutes, for you to enjoy us. You will definitely, when you connect to this YouTube channel, anytime we are live, you will definitely enjoy us. We make all these compliances fun, easy to grasp, easy to learn. You know that when you are a teacher or a lecturer in the university, right, and you make your teachings, your learning to be fun, people are always eager to come. Yes, and that is what we'll be doing on this YouTube channel. We'll make everything fun, easy to understand, right? Giving you clarity, informing you, dissecting all the information for you. So earning 70,000, don't pay tax. Anybody that you know, tell them 70,000 minimum wage is exempted from tax, right? So how to legally reduce your tax exposure? So the first thing that will let you know is that smart compliance, not tax evasion. We say it again. Smart compliance, not tax evasion. Smart compliance is that you are complying to do the right thing based on the law. Tax evasion is illegal. The law will catch up with you if you engage or involve yourself in tax evasion. You will be penalized. You'll be penalized, and issues will happen. So please don't engage in tax evasion. If you have tax consultants or you have tax people around you and they're encouraging you to involve in tax evasion, please don't do that. Don't do that. And we are your tax advisor. We'll tell you the right thing to do. So the second aspect that we're saying aside from that media that we're trying to tell you that people don't get that clarity, which we have given you understanding. The second one is somebody reach out to us and say, which company should I register for? Is it business name? Is it company? And we said it depends on what you are looking at. What is your goal? What is the target you have set for yourself, for your business? If you are doing something that is much, that like us now, we are doing something that have a global outlook, we'll be registered as a company. We'll be registered as a company. But if you are just doing your little here and there, they call it side hustle. But we call it side business profiting, right? Side business profiting. Here you may be doing your paid employment and you still have your side business profiting. You can register it. You can register that business, because it is when you register that business you have visibility. So if you are just doing all those little things, you can register it as business name. But if you have a global outlook, you have a growth in mind, expansion in mind, just go for company. Both of them have their benefits, tax benefits. There's tax benefit for registered business name. There's tax benefit for registered company. So there's tax benefit for both of them. So it's not a link sync something. It's not something that just like that. No. So you have to consider some things, strategically consider some things before you now decide. And that is why when you reach out, we are accredited CAC agents. Anything relating to CAC, we are there. So we give you advice. When any of our clients reach out to us, we will first ask them some questions, 1 or 2 questions. So from that question, we will now be able to give them professional advice. So it's that professional advice that will now determine whether you should be a business name or a limited liability company. So please, if you are watching us live now and you have registered your business, maybe business name or company, both of them have their own tax advantage. And we have videos on this on YouTube that explains all of that. And we have 50 exemptions as well for businesses, for masses, for individual business, for limited company, business. So we have those videos. So we have resources here that will make your business to thrive and grow, right? So let's continue with our topic of today, how to legally reduce your tax exposure. So we said smart compliance, not tax evasion. So reducing your tax exposure does not mean avoiding tax illegally. When we say that you should reduce your tax exposure, you will be paying the required minimum tax that you're supposed to pay. We are not saying that you should engage yourself in tax evasion, which is illegal. Tax evasion is illegal, but tax planning, tax strategies, tax compliance, they are all legal. Tax avoidance, they are all legal based on the law. So it means that what we are saying is that you should understand the law. Available reliefs, there are reliefs that will reduce your tax liability, exemptions and incentives, and then structuring your income and business activities properly. You structure. We've said here on this YouTube channel, if you are doing business, don't be using your personal account for your business. Open a corporate account, business account for your business, and let all your transactions, inflow, outflow, let it pass through your corporate account. Please, that is when tax computation, preparing your account to know how much tax you will pay after all your deduction will be easy for you. Don't want to do personal, spending, personal things into your business. Separate it. matter the amount, no matter the small amount it is, separate it. Let business be business, let personal be personal. And even if you want to pay yourself from your business, narrate it. Description. Don't send any money without putting description. Don't send any money without put descriptions. Put description. It will help you. It will help you to know how much you make, how much you spend, and that will be easy for budgeting, because budget is what comes in and what goes out. So if I will be earning maybe 100,000 this month, which will be my income, then based on that income, I'll be able to, project my expenses, my proposed expenditure, what I'm going to spend. And at the end of the day, your total income must not be equal to your total spending. It must not. It must not. At least your income to expenses must be like ratio 2:1. At least ratio 2:1. So if you are earning 100,000, you should be able to save like 50, spend 50, and keep the rest of the money safe for investment. Save for investment. Plan your future. So you can see now that it's not only tax that we are saying. We are now going to savings to investment, because we are versatile. We are versatile. We want you to know things that will help you in your daily life, in your business, in your family, in career, in profession. So that is it. That is it. Please give us that thumbs up, that emoji, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for staying true on our YouTube channel. We love you, we appreciate you, and we are rooting for you. This year, 2026, will be a glorious year, a wonderful year for you all our subscribers, all our clients, all our prospective clients, people that are connected to us. Thank you very much for staying true on this live session. Then another thing is understanding what income is taxable. That's how to legally reduce your tax exposure. Understand what income is taxable. We have brought you video on this our YouTube channel on taxable income categories, lists of income that are taxable. Yes, and in our post too, we have posted it on our YouTube channel. We have the video for it. Please watch, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for staying true. So understanding what income is taxable. So many taxpayers overpay simply because they assume all income is taxable. It is not all that are taxable. For example, if somebody send you money as gifts, it is not taxable. If you are being given gifts, it is not taxable. It is not taxable. You collect money as loan from somebody, it is not taxable. It is not taxable. So understand all those, taxable income. So that is what will help you not to overpay tax. And then you will not also, at the other hand, underpay for tax. So some allowances, some certain reimbursements may not be taxable. Specific investment income may not be taxable. So when you understand income that are taxable, it helps you to reduce your tax exposure, your tax liability. Right? So correct classification of income is the first tax saving step. We will say that again. Correct classification of income is the first tax saving step. Classify everything. Classify everything. Describe everything. Narrate everything. If you are sending money for diesel, classify it. If you are sending money for transport, classify it. If you are earning income, people sending that money, they should classify it. If it's for allowance, if it is for bonus, if it's for reimbursement, let them classify, let them narrate it, let them describe it for you, so that you will be able to classify in order, and you'll be able to know that no, this income that I receive is tax exempted. It's tax exempted. So that is the clarity we want you to have. Reduce your tax exposure. Then another thing is maximize allowable reliefs and deductions. There are allowable reliefs and deductions. Maximize it. So when somebody said in the media today that this tax law is not good, is this, is that, and we have told you as tax advisor, tax consultant, your business growth support partner, that this tax era is good for you, is good for your business, is good for you. So 70,000, it was making mention to 70,000, which is tax exempt. You're not paying tax on it. You're exempted. And if you're earning 100,000, 1.2 annually, right, you have removed your rent relief allowance. Maybe you are even paying rent of 500,000. 20% of 500,000 is 100,000. And you are earning 1.2 million. 100,000 is already gone from it. All your statutory deductions, you will remove it. At the end of the day, it is a portion of what is left after all your old deduction, then that you will now apply tax on. So please, this clarity is good for you. It's good for people around you, right? Please help us share our channel. Help us subscribe. Help us comment. Help us like. For your support, we appreciate you. So maximize your allowable reliefs and deductions. Like rent relief allowance, 20% on your annual rent, you remove it. You remove it. It's a statutory deductions. Your pension contribution, if you are paying pension, right, is an allowable deductions to reduce your tax liability. Your National Housing Fund, NHF, is allowed, removed it. Your National House Insurance, NHIS, is allowable deduction, remove it. Life assurance premium, remove it. So this reduce your taxable income, not your salary. Your taxable income, what you are going to pay as your tax, it will reduce it. Then what is left is now what you are going to pay. So if you are just joining us, if you have been here, thank you very much for staying through. We appreciate you. This is TOSJOHN Consulting, and I'm Oluwatosimaja. I'm a chartered accountant, business consultant, CAC accredited agent, tax consultant, tax advisor, external auditor. Thank you very much for staying through on this YouTube channel on today's live session. And we have been discussing the topic, how to legally reduce your tax exposure. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask. Please ask. If there's any topic that have been creating misinformation, confusion around business, around your personal taxes, whatever business, please let us know. We'll give you clarity in our on our live session. We'll come on a live session and dissect it for you, for clarity, for good understanding, right? So don't be afraid of this Tinubu tax. We brought you that video yesterday, why you should not be afraid of this Tinubu tax. It's good for you, right? It's good for you. Then another thing is proper business expenses documentation. Proper business expenses documentation is very important. Yes, we are a technology business driven firm, technology driven business solution firm, right? So when we talk about documentation, we don't necessarily mean that you are keeping a hard copy document. No, we don't necessarily mean that. You can have a soft copy of your invoice, of your receipts, right? Pro forma invoice, of any source document supporting all your transactions. for income, for expenses. You can have a soft copy, put it on your Google email drive, put it there, document everything. And the main source of business documentation is from your bank, your banking narrations, your description. So always narrate, describe all the transactions that is going in and coming out of your business. Describe it. Don't use your personal transaction. Don't model it into your business. So that will help you to properly know how your business is faring. When you reach out to us to prepare your account for you, we'll be able to easily classify. This one is income, this one is cost of the business, these are your operating expenses. So we prepare the account professionally for you, help you to reduce your tax liability. So please, proper business expenses documentation. Always document, always keep soft copy. We encourage you using soft copy because we are in a digital era and we are a technology driven business solution. So always keep it. When you go and buy something in the market, tell the buyer to maybe snap it or send you a PDF soft copy of it. You don't necessarily need hard copy. Then you can open an online drive. Then this one is for this one is for classify it, and then you will be filing it there. Nothing will happen to it because it is on the drive, on the cloud. It is safe and secure. Safe and secure. So businesses can deduct wholly and reasonably incurred expenses for their business, like rent. If you are a business, you have an office, you are paying rent, it is allowable deductions. Staff salary is an allowable deduction. Utilities, like paying for electricity, paying for water, paying for this, utilities, it is an allowable deductions. Professional fees, you are paying consultant, you are professional to do one or two things in your business, it is allowed. Marketing and logistic, advertising, it is allowed. Transportation, payment for diesel, repairs and maintenance, it is allowed. So you use it to reduce your tax liability for your business. So poor record keeping leads to disallowed expenses and high taxes. When you don't keep record, right, it will lead to disallowed expenses and higher taxes because the tax authority they will still come. They will ask for your business documents. They will ask for the source documents. You said that you pay your staff salary. How much did you pay them? Where is the documentation for it? Where is your payroll showing that? Where is your staff salary showing that? You will show them. You said you did repair and maintenance for your business. Where is the receipt for it? Not necessarily hard copy, soft copy. You can show them. In fact, the tax authority sef, they are digital. They are digital, right? They are digital. They are technology driven too. They know about technology. So just show them. Open your drive where you save it online. You will show them. Then they will know. They will understand. So reduce your tax liability. So another thing that we have told you, don't deal with an unregistered business. Those that don't have TIN, that have not registered for tax, that have not onboarded on e-tax platform, that their TIN is active. Don't deal with them. There's a penalty of 5 million. Don't deal with them. You will be penalized. Make sure that any business that you are dealing with, any vendors, any contractor you are dealing with, they are tax compliant, so that they will not use their own non-compliant to affect you that you are compliant, because it is you that will be penalized, not them. Not them. So please, let's do the right thing this year and reduce our tax exposure. Then another thing is choose the right business structure. Choose the right business structure. Like somebody that called us that which business should he register for? And we said if you are engaged into this, if you are just doing your little things here and there, just maintain your business name, register as a business name. But if you are having growth in mind, you want investors, you are having global outlook, register as a limited company, and we are CAC accredited agents. You can reach out to us. So thank you for staying through on our YouTube channel. We appreciate you. We appreciate your time. Please subscribe if you are just joining us for the first time. Like, share, and comment. Ask your question. We are here for you. We are your business growth support partner. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. So when you choose the right business structure, your tax exposure then will now depend on it. If you are a sole proprietorship are registered as business name. Partnership are registered as business name, right? There are tax reliefs and benefits for them. Then if you are registered as a limited liability company, which have a threshold of 100 million, right, to be exempted from company income tax, CIT, from value added tax, from development levy, and even withholding tax, except your invoice is 2 million and above. So you can see that there are benefits for each categories of business. So depending on the one that you have or that you are engaging in, there are tax benefits for them. So each has their own tax rates, tax reliefs, and tax obligations. So if you are registered as a business name, you have your tax benefits and allowances. If you are registered as a limited company, you have your tax benefits and allowances. So that is what we want you to understand. Then many SME pay more tax simply because they choose the wrong structure. So if you choose the wrong business structure, you might be paying more taxes. Right? So call us, reach out to us. We are professional. We are accredited CAC agent. We are tax consultant, tax advisor, external auditor. Reach out to us. We are your business growth support partner. We are beyond a chartered accountant firm. Investments, you can call us. Tax, you can call us. CAC, you can call us. Your business compliances in any form, in any way, you can call us. We are here for you, right? And even, career-wise, your training, right? We are here for you. So choose the right structure for your business. So another thing is take advantage of tax incentives. There are tax incentives that are available in this tax era. So Nigeria offer incentives to pioneer status company. Pioneer status incentives are available, PSI. We have capital allowances for limited company. They are available. Export incentives, those that are exporting to other countries, there are tax incentives available for them. Small company tax exemptions, 100 million and below, tax exemption for small company. Value added tax exemptions for small company. So these incentives are legal and then they are government approved for deductions to reduce your tax liability. Then another thing here is time your income and expenses properly. Your income and expenses, time them properly, right? There's what we call cutoff in accounting, in audit. So that cutoff will tell you that transactions, that are being done within this time limit will not go to the next day. It will be to this day. So if you are processing transaction 11:59 and it went successfully, it will be to that very day. But if you know that transaction now go to maybe 12 a.m., it is to the next day. And if that 12 a.m. is another year, that means it will not serve as allowable expenses deductions in the year that just ended. So you can see timing. of income and expenses. So time it, right? Plan your timing. For businesses, you can say that, okay, maybe for you to pay your vendors and suppliers or those that you are owing, maybe that will be done on every Monday or every Tuesday. You plan it, right? You plan it. Creditors that are owing you for your invoices, every Monday, all our creditors must pay. On Tuesday, all our vendors that we are owing, we must pay them. So you time your income, money coming in into your business, and then your expenses, you time it. So you must plan yourself properly. There must not be disorganization. So you must have system in place, right, that will help you be well structured. When you are well structured, when you have good organization, when you are balanced, things go on smoothly. Have your plan Monday to Friday. This and this and this and this is what is going to be done. Have it. So it helps your business to have, a good balancing. You have a good balance in your business. You are not succumb to pressure, to tension. So it will help you. Thank you very much for staying true on our YouTube channel. We appreciate you. You can comment, tell us where you are, joining us from live. Thank you, Yekwe, for joining us today. We appreciate you. Thank you so much, Ms. Abigail. You have been, supporting from inception. We appreciate you. Thank you, Yekwe, for your support as well. We appreciate you. Those that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, we love you, we appreciate you, and we are rooting for you. So today's section is a very interesting session. So that is why we have stayed true to this time, to give you clarity, to inform you, and to also make sure that your business is thriving, is moving by getting all the necessary knowledge and information that you need to position yourself for growth. Thank you very much for joining. Subscribe, please, comment and like and ask your question. So timing of income and expenses properly, right? When income is recognized, right? The timing, you recognize it, right? When expenses are claimed, you incur expenses, you recognize it. Asset purchase timing for capital allowance benefits. If you want to buy motor vehicle, you want to buy land, you want to buy maybe a building, an office, you want to buy office equipment, you time it. At this also period in the business, we are going to buy this, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. So you put all those structure, all those time in place, especially when you have the account and finance department, right? They will be able to do all of this. So proper timing can legally reduce your tax liability, just like we have said in that example. Then another thing is file early and accurately. Very important. File early and accurately. We are here for you. We are here for you. We are your business growth support partner. We are here for you. You face your business while we help you with a professional compliance for your business. So please, we are here for you, to serve you, right? So early filing and compliance, file early and accurately is very important. So this will help you to avoid late filing. For example, in the email we sent to our clients today and our prospective clients, we said the 2025 CAC filing is open already. It's open already, it's on. Why do you want to wait for last minute? Why not do it once it is open? Then the payee annual filing is already open, and the deadline is this 31st of January for 2025 payee remittances for your employees. The annual return filing is on already. It's on already. Do it, leave it. When you do it, you move to the next thing. Face your business, and we will be serving clients to do all these compliances for them. all this filing for them. The monthly filing for December 2025 payee deduction remittance. Today is today is 8. The deadline is on the 10th. Why not do it before the deadline and move forward? All those compliances is an asset for you. Compliance is now an asset. It's not an obligation. It's an asset. When you are compliant, it's an asset, because compliance now is a strategy. Tax compliance now is a strategy. Imagine a business that have a threshold of 100 million and they are compliant. So it's already a strategy for them for growth. But if they are not compliant, then there will be penalty. They will be having pressure, issues with the tax authority, and it will affect their business. It will affect their business. So please, let's stay compliant. Reach out to us for all your business compliances, tax, CAC, right? Then the company income tax filing for limited liability company. Those that are registered as a company, it is on already. It is on already. Let's prepare your accounts, your audited account, and help you to file and avoid late filing, right? Avoid penalties, avoid interest on penalties for non-compliance. So accurate, timely filing protects you from over-assessment. It protects you from over-assessment. The tax authority will just send you, assessment. Pay this, come and pay this, come and pay that. When you are compliant, and the way the tax is being structured is assessment. You self-assess yourself, and then you filed appropriately. Even though the tax authority will still come, like we said, that even though you are exempted and then you file, you comply, that doesn't mean that tax authority will not still come to ask for your book and all document information to actually ascertain that you have filed correctly. They will still come for debt review. They will still come for tax audit. Yes, they will still come, because that is what their work is. They will do their own work too. You have done your own part to stay compliant. They will also try to come and do audits and ascertain that you have done the right thing. You have filed the correct tax, they will still come. But when you have done the right thing, right? Like what the Bible said, the righteous is as bold as lion. You are bold as lion. You are not fearful that, tax people have come, this is for audit. You are calm, you are relaxed. For this will give them, because the documents are available. They have kept the book of accounts. So they will do what they need to do, and then they will go. In fact, we have served clients, and then the tax authority came for their tax audit, and they said, yes, we are seeing everything. They keep it up. And then the tax authority now, they are customer centric. They prioritize the customer. They treat the customer well, right? So it is a win-win for the tax authority and then the taxpayer as well. So another thing as we handing off is that separate personal and business finances. Yes, we cannot emphasize that. Separate it. Personal and business finances, separate it. Let business be business, let personal be personal. So mixing finances causes higher tax exposure. If you are mixing them together, there will be tax exposure, higher tax exposure. It will serve as disallowed expenses. They will not allow it. They will not allow you to use it to reduce your tax liability, because you are modeling everything together. There will be compliance issue. You have compliance issues with the tax authority, because you are mixing personal and business together. So separate accounts, cleaner records. It will give you lower tax risk. Then use professional tax advisor. Use professional tax advisor like TOSJOHN Consulting. Reach out to us. Let us give you clarity. Let us be your business growth support partner and help you to reduce your tax liability legally. So a tax professional helps you claim all your lawful reliefs. We'll tell you, wow, there's a relief here, there's a relief there to reduce your tax liability. Then we also help you to avoid penalties because you have filed early enough. Then it will also help you to pay only what is legally due. What is legally due? What you are supposed to pay as tax after all your reliefs, it is what you will pay. Like one of our clients that reached out to us and the tax authority were giving 50 million, tax liability. At the end of the day, when we prepared the account and everything, it was not up to that. It was not even up to one fourth of it for the 3 years. We claim all the necessary exemption and prepare the account professionally, the audited account, signed, sealed, and filed. So that is what we do because this is our work and this is what we do to help businesses to thrive. Then we help you stay compliant under the new tax reform. Under this tax reform, we help you to stay compliant. So as we round off this session, so the key takeaway is that tax savings come from knowledge, which we are already giving you. It comes from structure, which we have told you, and it comes from compliance and not from shortcuts, not from tax evasions, not from hiding what you are supposed to disclose. Illegal tax evasion will lead to penalties, to interest payment, to audit, to reputational damage, to issues with the tax authority, and you don't want to get yourself in that situation. So thank you for staying true to us on this YouTube channel. We are your tax companion, we are your tax advisor, we are your business growth support partner, we are versatile professional consulting firm, audits, tax, accounting, technology into your business, CAC, business compliances generally, all here to serve you. You need training, we are all here to serve you. So thank you very much. We are a consulting business growth partner, and we are global business consulting firm. We are global. Thank you, Iyekwe, for joining us on this live session. We appreciate you, and we know that you have subscribed. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you, Ms. Abigail. Thank you, Mr. Enoch. Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you all, from Nigeria to Africa to Asia to South America to Australia to North America to Central America to any continent of the world, to Europe. We appreciate you so much, and we are committed to serve you in this year 2026 and beyond as your business growth support partner. So thank you very much for staying true with us on this session of today, and we have dissected how to legally reduce your tax exposure, your tax liability, and we believe that you have gained value with your time in staying true to us on this YouTube channel, and we'll keep showing up. Thank you, Mr. Enoch, for saying we have been showing up. We appreciate you. Thank you, Mr. Iyekwe Kanu, for your intention to support us. Help us share this channel. Let people subscribe. Let people come and get clarity, get knowledge, get understanding for their business to thrive, to grow. We love you. We appreciate you. And that be your business in this year 2026, it will blossom, it will flourish. Just make sure that you are compliant and you reach out to us on all your professional compliances for your business. We are willing and ready to work with you. So thank you very much. Until we come your way again in another live session, please stay fine, stay okay, stay compliant, and keep progressing. So bye for now. We love you. Bye for now. Bye.